So I'll show you guys. So you set the missile up level and the line of sight. So we use a cone to see. You dig a pit, keep the hose straight. This is a 4-inch missile. You gotta cross this and a drop. And this is our exit pit. So that head should come out right there. And to feel where it's at, you use your feet. Right now we're just a little ways in. We're only to about right here. I'll show you guys when it starts coming out the other side. It needs to keep coming. Perfect.
A little shallow.
Yeah, but
That's...
now we'll let it come through a little bit more. And then we tie the conduits onto the actual hose. We take the missile out and tie the conduits to the hose and pull it back. All right, so we have the conduit over there with pulling eyes on it. We have mule tape on this hose. So we pull the mule tape through first. So then we can pull the conduit through. So now we're pulling the conduit through, and when it comes out, I'll show you. All right, so we got the conduit in. We're gonna do a coupler here, and then we're gonna set a box over there on the other side. That's how it's done.